Okay, in today's video I am going to again just be attempting to clean frets. I'm still not doing the fret leveling yet. I want to clean first. And so what I'm going to be doing, I'm coming from the top down, is use these fret erasers that I got from Crimson Guitars at crimsonguitars.com. So this is the coarse, this is the medium, this is the fine, and then super fine, and then I'm going to try the FRINE again that I did last time after that, and then maybe try some wool if I have time. All right, so the first thing, the coarse. Let's go, as you can see I've taped already. Just do a little bit of coursing here, rubbing on these, seeing if these erasers do anything to help get rid of the dirt on the frets. Seems to be doing actually a pretty good job. The coarse, of course, I would expect the coarse to maybe cut down on the fret a little bit. So I'm going to just do a little bit here. Still try to get that center line part. All right, now I'm going to go to medium. Now to the fine. That fine. Now let me go to the super fine. And I don't think it's getting it fully clean. I'm probably not doing it long enough, but definitely has a bigger shine than it did before. I'm going to go back to the coarse again and just see if I can get that last bit up. Doesn't seem to want to go. Back to super fine. Okay. It's looking pretty shiny, so let me now go back to this brine patchy thing. Take it out, remind myself, I think these were the large. Not that I'm going to need this since I have the tape on it, so I'm not going to use that. So I am going to put a little dab on here. If I can get it to come out, come on. There we go. And try to get this evenly across here. Of course I miss, but still very interested to see how much this shines up. I did buy a kind of Dremel tool that I would like to try out at another time just because I'm doing a lot of packing up of stuff. And let's see here. Looks pretty shiny. Looks like I didn't get any of the side. But that's going to be kind of tough because you don't want to touch the fretboard. Well, I won't do the side right now. Again, I'm just doing a little test here. So let's take off the tape. Not bad. It's pretty shiny. Of course, it's a little flat. I still have to do the leveling stuff that I would do later and other cleaning. Rub this here. I like it. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.